Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2008 Honda Element. Car came in, the power steering pump is winding. Sounds like it's low on fluid. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your fluid level is full. If it's not full, then fill it up and see if the winding sound goes away. But if it's full, a lot of times what's happening is you're going to see a lot of air bubbles in the reservoir. You're not supposed to have any air bubbles coming out, but if you do see any, someplace in the pump is sucking air. So the most common place this pump would suck air is from the return hose. So first I'm gonna show you how to replace the O-ring on the return hose first before condemning the pump. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job: 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a pick. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is an O-ring that's going to go onto the return side of the power steering hose and Honda power steering fluid. So first I'm going to be removing the fluid from the reservoir. Just remove as much as you can. I'm going to be removing the return hose that's attached to the pump. There's one bolt over here, you got to remove that. So now you can put some rag on the bottom and remove the hose that's attached to the pump. So the O-ring is stuck right in the pump. Sometimes the O-ring will be on top of this hose, but in this case it's right in the pump. So I'm going to be using my pick and digging out the O-ring. So I'm going to be putting the new ring on the return hose side, and then we're going to be sliding it into the pump. Putting on the bolt. So tighten up the bolt. I'm going to be filling up my reservoir with Honda power steering fluid. So cover it up. Now we're going to start up the vehicle. So now there's no winding sound. So it looks like that was the problem. Make sure to top off your power steering fluid while the vehicle is running. Make sure there's no air bubbles coming out of your reservoir, and you'll be good to go. So if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.